Hey guys, welcome back to Invest Book channel again. This is Raju and I hope everyone is doing great. And coming to today video, I found these two companies where I found 30% of upside potential is possible in a very short term period. And I have my own reasons why I selected these two companies. The first one is these two companies are very strong company, and the second one is the as per the market trend, these two companies also beaten down to a lower levels, like a particular certain lower levels. If you pick them at these lower levels, where the minimum risk is involved, like the risk is almost limited and the upside potential is, as per I am targeting 30% upside potential. You can target up to all-time high also. So these two companies we are going to discuss in this video. Let's get into the topic. So I selected these two stocks. One is Star Health from pharma sector, and another one is Avenue Supermarkets, which is from retail sector. So I'll try to explain like how I am targeting 30% of upside potential for these two stocks with the technical analysis, and I'll also try to cover a little bit of fundamental analysis also. So first we'll talk about the Star Health. First let me clear this chart. I'll draw it again in front of you all. So this Star Health is a very strong company. This recently listed company, it formed a high of lifetime high is like 939.65, and if you carefully observe this, and it started it started going down from the day it started listing. After eventually any stock after getting listed at high premiums, it will get beaten down to a lower levels. This Star Health beaten down almost, let's check the price. Star Health got beaten down to almost 50% from all-time high. So after forming a strong support here, after it formed a strong support here, first support, and stock started moving up again. The more buyers came into the market and bought the Star Health. So when it started reacting from this level to higher levels, it got rejected here first time, and when it got strong support at 470, it again rejected here, and this is the third support. Three times this Star Health got rejected from this 760 to 765 range. So this is going to be a very strong resistance, and it's not that easy to break this resistance right now. After stock got rejected thrice from this range, stock started reacting once it hit this this strong support range. Like if you draw a parallel channel, so the stock is reacting very well to this support. So this is going to be a very strong support. So I found another triangle pattern also here. Like I already bought this stock. I have a very good conviction on this trade. So now only two scenarios are there in this stock. Like the Star Health might accumulate more days in this range, and it will give you a breakout like this. It might touch 760, or else, and another one is if by any chance this stock got broken down, and it will take the support again from here and it will go up. So these are the two scenarios that I am expecting. I am not expecting this stock to get broke down from this range. If very bad global cues or market conditions, if by any chance if it get broken down, I'll take this as a stop loss. I'm going to exit this trade at this range, but there are very minimal chances that your trade gonna hit this stop loss. And I'm not taking the target as 760 here for a simple reason. I'm taking this 700 only target, because before the stock got broken down, this acted as a support. Like it was started accumulating here, and everyone expected this to accumulate a few more days and it will give you a breakout. but unfortunately it got broken down. Before it acted as a support, now it will be going to act as a resistance. So before entering into this range, sellers might come into the market, and stock might come down again after hitting this resistance. So this range going to become anyway, so I'm taking a safe exit at 700. If you take this if you take the target from current market price, like 525 to 700, 33%. By any chance if you get the entry at here, like if it get broke down and come into this support, this is going to be a almost 50% upside potential. If you take the trade right at this current market price, like I bought it, you're going to be having a target price of 33%. If you get another entry point, you will get the 50% of upside potential. This is what I am expecting. These are the things that I planned with Star Health. I hope you understand this one. And I'm not going to discuss in detailed analysis of fundamental analysis of the Star Health company. If you want, I can make you another video, but this video going to be very long. So I'm putting a very few interesting topics about this fundamental analysis on this company. So if you observe, company announced highest ever quarterly sales, like 3073 crores. You don't find any sales more than 3073 crores in previous like 7 to 8 quarters. And it announced the highest ever profit, like 282 crores of quarterly profit. This is the highest quarterly profit even after tax. And yearly, if you check the yearly profit and loss statement, sales are again the highest, 10,600 crores, and trailing 12 months ka 11,066 crores. You don't find anything anything like that in previous, like 2015 to 2012 22, like almost 8 years. This is the highest sales ever, and this is the highest profit ever, like 435 crores before tax, 575 crores, and after tax 435 crores. Highest company announced the highest profits, highest sales. So there is nothing wrong with the company. And another interesting point, this is very important, shareholding pattern. Promoters having the almost same shareholding pattern, 58.9 percentage for almost 21 22 for the last 2-3 years. FIAs 9%, 9%, 9%, and 10%. DIAs sold Star Health, and public, if you observe September 2022, public के पास 29.58%. like you and me having the shareholding pattern, like 29% of ownership, like retailers. And what happened December 2022, FIAs, foreign institutions, bought everything from the retailers. Like you sold and I sold, and who bought it? Like foreign institutions bought it because they have the higher vision. And I mean, they must be having a better analysis than us. So you and I sold it, and FIAs bought it. They are going to be get benefited. So I am trying to stick to this company till I get my target. So everything is perfect. So I'm not going to sell this Star Health till I get my 30% or 50%. Even if you want, you can hold it to lifetime high also, but as of now I'm sticking it to 32% or 50%. Stock is Avenue Supermarkets, also known as demat. I hope everyone know about the demat and how strong it is, how we use in our daily usage. So this is a very strong company, and let's check the drawdown from the all-time high somewhere around 5,900 to recent support. Demat down by almost 45%. Just like the Nifty came down from the 18,400, the demat also started falling from the all-time high to the recent low, some 3,200 to 300 range. So the stocks faced the resistance here, and it started accumulating in this range. And once it got broke out, पहले ये रेजिस्टेंस हुआ करता था, फिर यहाँ सपोर्ट लिया, फिर it started making higher high, like it formed a high of 5,900. Resistance, support, like this is the fifth time it this is the fifth time it take the support from here. So obviously this is going to be a very interesting trade. If you see, demat have a small gap here, like anyway this stock going to fill this gap anyway. So first target would be this one, but I am expecting Nifty also started making green candles after continuous 3 monthly red candles. So if you take, if by any chance if you get entry here, please take it. If it don't come down, please take it at current market price, and this might go like this. This is the first target, and we have also a 200 moving exponential moving average. After flipping this gap and 200 moving average, it will it will go like this. It will go to our target. If you take the target from current market price to recent high where it got rejected, that would be 30%. And if you get any chance to buy at this support again, you will get 40% profit. So this 30-40% upside potential is very much possible for demat avenue supermarket. I am not expecting this to go down below this strong support. So this 30 or 50%, I don't think these are very small profits, because if you keep your funds in your savings account, you'll get 3% as interest, or even if you keep this FD also, you'll get 7% interest. And if our stocks go well as per our analysis, this will give you 30% and 50% targets. That would be a very huge returns. Even if it takes 3-4 months or 5 months or 1 month, or even if it takes 1 year also, this will be a huge return. So I'm very much bullish on these two trades, and I am sticking to my analysis. Let's see how it goes, and I hope everyone understand this analysis. And if you like this video, keep liking, sharing, subscribing with your friends and family.